The Lal Bagh Flower Show runs from 16th January to 27th. The show is open daily from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m., and the park itself is open from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Tickets for adults are 80 rupees on weekdays and 100 rupees on weekends. Children can enter for just 30 rupees, and students in school uniform with a valid ID get in for free. This year's show features a stunning array of floral models and artifacts that beautifully depict the life and legacy of Valmiki, the revered poet. One of the most striking attractions is a massive, 10-foot tall model of Valmiki, which has captured the attention of all who visit, thanks to its incredible detail and craftsmanship. The Ramayana, composed by Valmiki, contains 24,000 shlokas spread across 7 cantos. Hanuman's incredible devotion and strength were exemplified when he flew to Sanjeevani Hill to fetch the life-saving herb, saving Lakshmana's life during the battle with Ravana. You will also find models of Ramakripe the squirrel, Jambavan, Jatayu, Valmiki, and Hanuman. According to Ramayana, Rama had extended compassion to the tiny Ramakripe, the squirrel, who helped him by carrying small pebbles to build the bridge to Lanka. Rama's bond with Jambavan, the wise bear, was built on mutual respect, with Jambavan offering guidance and strength during the battle against Ravana. Rama's heart was filled with grief and respect for Jatayu, the noble eagle, who valiantly fought Ravana to protect Sita, sacrificing his life in the process. Valmiki Ashram is the sacred place where the great sage Rishi Valmiki lived and composed the epic Ramayana. It is believed that Sita stayed here during her pregnancy, and it's here that her sons, Lava and Kush, were born. Many poets throughout history have reimagined the Ramayana in their own unique styles. Pamba Ramayana from Abhinava Pamba from 11th century. Kamba Ramayanam by Kamban from 12th century. Torev Ramayana by Kumara Valmiki from 15th century. Rama Charitha Mansa by Tulsidas from 16th century. Sri Ramayana Darshanam by Kuvempu from 20th century. Adhyatma Ramayanam Kili Pattu by Thuchathu Ramanujan from 16th century. Sri Ranganatha Ramayanamu by Gona Buddha Reddy from 14th century and Kumudendu Ramayana by Kumudendu Muni are few of them. And then there's Panchavati, the spot where Lord Rama, Sita, and Lakshman spent a significant part of their 14-year exile. So, whether you're a flower enthusiast, a history lover, or just looking for a beautiful day out, the Lal Bagh Flower Show is the perfect spot. Don't miss it.